Good day to everyone. Welcome here in San Tevi, located in Barangay San Vicente, San Pablo City, Laguna. Kung ikaw ay naghahanap ng bahay with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, complete upon turnover, tara, tour ko po kayo sa loob ng ating bahay. You have here with your spacious dining and living area. And you have also sliding door in this part going to your lanai. And you also have your toilet and bath here in this part. You also have your kitchen area in this part. At the back of your house, meron pa po kayong expansion here for your kitchen and laundry area. So tara, samahan niyo naman ako ating silipin ng ating second floor.